Rolling. Sapnaji, tell us about what we heard, what we came to know through the PR. You're planning a world record. Please tell us about it.
Sanskriti is my brand, which is a 10-year-old brand, and it is existing as a food court model in Infinity Mall Malad, in Orbit Malad and Infinity Mall Andheri. Sanskriti is, with the upcoming Sanskriti's expansion plan, this is a branding exercise that we are doing, and Sanskriti is going to attempt a world record, which is for making, it is a Guinness World Record for making the largest Imarti in the world, and a Limca World Record for making the largest jalebi in the world. Besides that, we are also attempting 2 Limca records, which is for where we are inviting general public to participate. There is going to be a jalebi eating competition and a jalebi making competition. The winners will get a chance to participate in creating a world record, the maximum number of jalebis eaten by one person at one time in 1 minute. That's one record, and the second record is the maximum number of jalebis made in one kadai at one time.
Okay, what are the preparation you have done when you talk about making a jalebi or making a imarti in a huge kadai,
Right. See, frankly, the logistics of, and the experimenting of how to make it, how to ensure that everything is proper and we do not run into any accidents. We spend about 2 to 3 months preparing for it in terms of pre-preparation, discussing on what is the quantity required, doing a mathematical. So here in school I may not have experienced so many subjects learning, but here I had to experience mathematics, engineering, because engineering the kadai, how it will come out, how much of ghee it will hold, and how will we empty the kadai, because the kadai weight is 1200 kilos, so it's not going to be an easy task to use it. Whether the kadai will be able to hold the weight of so much of ghee, so then we had to make a very heavy kadai. We've made taps below the kadai, and there is a jali on top of it where we will pick up the jalebi so that hygiene is maintained. We have to ensure the jalebi is tasty and servable to the customers. So we've done a lot of planning basically, and the kadai to be physically made has taken 20 days, and it has taken more than 50 to 60 people to lift it up from the workshop to my equipment manufacturer's factory. Took them about a day and a half because it was really impossible. They had to roll it up, and 36 people were physically holding the kadai and taking to the workshop. And today it's in the workshop. We are planning to get the kadai to the venue tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Okay, Sapnaji, as you said, Sanskriti, it will be an expansion, when we talk about this making a record.
Right.
What do you think when we unveiling the so-called kadai, with 36 people required to carry it off?
Right.
Do you think there's a need of a Bollywood celebrity to be on board and unveil that so-called kadai?
I definitely think so, but I think my kadai is the hero here, and to witness a celebrity, yes, it's a big thing, I agree completely, but celebrities you see every day. They are on TV, they are on films, they are on promos, you get an opportunity to meet them. But to get an opportunity to see a 10 feet kadai, which is 1200 kilos, traveling from one location to another, according to me is a bigger celebrity than any celebrity in the world.
Okay, what you will be going in some sort of workshop or rehearsal before we actually go on board and do this actual thing?
Of course, that is the reason why we have, what we have done is, we are doing a 10-day Mela. So the 10-day Mela, it's called the Sanskriti Mela. The 10-day Mela will have different kinds of competitions, and NGOs will be a part of it, and we've spoken to TV channels, so they will be a part of it. Maybe some movies will be a part of it, I really don't know. And we have fun and games and food for the kids and all the people who come into the place. We have a Satvik workshop by ISKCON. We have a Satvik cooking competition for ladies. So all that is going to be happening in those 10 days. Using to do trial and error and practice sessions. They will be live. We are not doing practice sessions anywhere in the backyard. We want to do it live in front of the customers, because we believe that what we do is what we want to show. Even Sanskriti at Infinity Malad has a live kitchen. We do not have anything behind. Everything is made in front of the customer. So here also we are going to be doing the entire practice in front of the customers, because we want to get a sense of belonging with our customers and with our food lovers.
Okay, as you said, you are attempting this world record. Numerous NGO also participating with you.
Right.
Don't you think the government of, especially the state government, should come, and join hand with you?
I would be yes, the state government should definitely come and join hands, because what we are doing is we are attempting to put Imarti on the world map, and which itself is a very, very big achievement. And I really think that all the help and all the support that we can get from the government and from the celebrities would be more than welcome, and we would be so happy to have everybody around.
Okay, you'll be attempting this world record.
Right.
What is the challenging part, and are you nervous?
Okay, let me put it that way. Frankly, okay, we are attempting the world record. When I started attempting the world record, I didn't have any idea of the budgets. I had no clue how much money it will cost me. I thought it will be maybe 3-4 lakhs is the expense for the entire event, and I thought I should be able to do one small event and manage the whole thing. But as time passed by, the expenses kept on piling up, and right now I am sitting on a 35 lakhs expense. Plus how much more I have no idea, but I have left it to God to help, and things will happen.
Okay, making a jalebi in a hooch kadai,
Right.
or Imarti.
Right.
How will be pouring that, that material in the kadai? What will be the way to?
Exactly.
There'll be a crane, or there'll be a man along with
frankly, the process of making the jalebi, normally jalebi is made with hand because it needs pressure. The consistency of the batter is such that it needs pressure from the hand, where you roll out your hand like this and spread the jalebi in the ghee. But now your hand can only go up to 3 feet, and the kadai is 10 feet. So the center, almost 2.5 to 3 feet, remains vacant. And that is the reason why we have to innovate ways in which we can still make this happen. So what we are doing is, there is a huge 20 by 20 feet truss that we've built, so that it's safe. Safety is my prime concern, and that is the reason why we've done everything in the best possible manner. And the truss will have a pulley which will on which this huge bucket which will hold the entire batter will be kept, and there is a hole which will be made in the center of that, and the consistency of the batter will be such that it will have to fall in one flow, and the people will hold it through handles and roam around the entire kadai, the 10 feet circumference of the kadai, and we will be making the jalebi that way. I don't know, this is all right now virtual, it's not real because we haven't done it. So there is nothing much I can really say. I can only say that we are going to be attempting this, we are going to be trying our best, and my team and my entire office and everybody is very, very excited about the whole project.
Okay, once you start, once you unveil that so-called kadai,
right.
What are the other things there in your mind, while doing the same thing? As you said, everything will be live
right.
in front of the people.
Right.
What are the things you look into? Once we start doing the thing in front of the people,
right.
there are problems, there are challenges going to come.
Right.
So what your preparation for that? Though you haven't done it.
See, I know that. What we have done is we have kept a time gap of 7 days before we do the real event. So whatever mistakes we make in those 7 days, we will have ample time to correct it. That is one. In terms of safety measures, we have tried to we are going to be using the best of the equipment to ensure that this is done. My event manager has already done such kind of large scale events. He is empaneled with MTDC, so he knows his job. So he is ensuring all sorts of things which will be there in place. We will ensure that there is medical help available at all times, just in case of any accidents or any problems. We are taking all the licenses and permissions required for this event in terms of health, fire and fire brigade and stuff like that. So there are no accidents. The mall, Infinity Mall Malad, the entire team is very, very kind, and they have been totally supportive in this entire venture, and they will also take utmost care in terms of security, and all services will be provided for this event by the mall.
Anything else you want to say? Sadhvi food you are talking about, Sadhvi competition.
Right.
If you can tell us about that.
Right. I actually am forgetting what I told you and what I didn't tell you.
You didn't tell anything about it.
सात्विक बात ही नहीं हुआ ना. तो फिर मैं वो बोलती हूँ ठीक है, याद नहीं रहता है, 3-3 बार कर. Sattvic food means food which is prepared without the use of onion garlic. It is pure vegetarian, and I have been cooking this food since the time I got married, and I have invented a lot of recipes. My husband loves the food that I cook, and he is the one who's been the inspiration behind. He wanted me to open a restaurant which served my home cooked food. Everybody laughed at him in the beginning, and everybody said this food cannot sell, but his conviction in the food that I cook is so strong that I went by his conviction and I opened the place. As soon as I opened the restaurant, it became an overnight success. People started associating with it, people started loving the food, whether it is a Muslim family or whether it is a foreigner or whether it is a kid or any Punjabi or whatever. All sorts of people come to our place and everybody loves our food. The most surprising part is that most of my regular clientele, which one would presume would be Jains, are not Jains. My maximum clientele are people who are hardcore non-vegetarian, and for them to eat our food is like a breather, and they love our food. So Sattvic food is the tagline that I have just started using, because Sattvic simply does not mean food without onion garlic. Sattvic means a healthy way of life. Sattvic means cooking with love, serving with love. Sattvic means unconditional love. And Sattvic means being simple, elegant and divine. So for me to use that word with Sanskriti took me 10 years, and it has been added to my brand just a month back. And now I am sure that this food that we serve has all the healthy ingredients which are needed to be served to the customers. And just for that we are launching a hashtag Sattvic challenge on Twitter. It will start trending tomorrow, and we invite you to be a part of the Sattvic challenge. Log on to www.sanskritiindia.in for the same. Thank you.
But make it.
बोलो क्या बोलो? Join us to for.
नहीं, that